What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you an incredible trick to make you look like a human calculator. Let's do it. Now, this trick is a little difficult to perform without having another spectator here, so I'm going to try my best to go through exactly how you're supposed to perform this. So you start off by opening up any calculator, and yes, any calculator will do. Make sure it's all cleared out. This way, you know, there's no suspicion to begin with. It's a clear calculator. You can't do anything about it. Now you start off by having a spectator select any two-digit number. Let's just say they select, they select 59 because that's as random as I could think. So now you're going to start spitting out numbers rapid fire and telling them to multiply them all together. And before they even punch in all the numbers, you're going to tell them the result. So check this out. So we'll do 759 times 3 times 7 times, 13 times 37. And before they even click enter, you're going to tell them that the output, the product is going to be 595,959, and check this out, 595,959. The magic of this trick relies on the spectator punching in numbers to the calculator as fast as you're spitting them out, and then you telling them the answer before they even have the chance to click enter. Okay, so you start off by really having them pick any two-digit number. Let's just say 71 because I want to do 71. And now you're going to tell them to multiply it by these four numbers. You're going to start by multiplying by 3, multiply by 7, multiply by 13, and multiply by 37. And you want to make these numbers seem like you're picking them out of thin air. So I just tell them, so pick out, so I'll have to multiply by 3, multiply by 7, 13, and 37. So you want to make the numbers come out as naturally as possible, but also seem like you're making them up on the spot. If you go tell them to multiply by 3, 7, 13, 37, that's not going to have as good as an effect. Now, the result will always be their number repeated 3 times. So we started off with 71, so you can see the output is 71, 71, 71. But of course, the second part of the magic depends on how you're saying the product of all the numbers. If you say 71, 71, 71, they're going to be thinking back to the 71 number that they selected, right? So you don't want to do that. You want to do 717,171. That sounds like a much more random number than 71, 71, 71. And from this, you'll really look like the human calculator. If you want to check out another calculator trick, make sure to go and click on that video because that, again, is more calculator stuff. I'll see you there. Peace out.